Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about ln A plus ln B equals to ln of AB. So number 3 is about A. S squared is about B. So we need to change this one into this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. ln of A to the power of B equals to B ln A. So we apply for this one, and we have 2 ln S. The integration of ln number 3, this is about the constant. So you got about S ln number 3. Now I need to concentrate about ln S. So we can use about integration bypass. So I need to put about u equals to ln S. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the s over s, dv equals to the s. The integration of this one, we have v equals to s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration s ds over s. So this one we got about the s. The integration of the s, you got about s. And we put about c. Now we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.